Hi everybody, I hope you enjoyed that teaser for our newest featurette film, The Second Bird, which is now in production. The Second Bird is an ambitious, experimental comedy film, which takes place narratively over the course of an entire year. We want to showcase the gorgeous seasons of New England, from the rocky coasts of my home state of Maine to the sublime of the White Mountains. But we need your support to continue, so please stay tuned to the end of this video because you're not going to want to miss out on how you can get involved in this project. After a painful death in the family, our main character has become a cynic who is now attempting to move his life forward. He's lost a sense of humor and his personal relationships are crumbling around him. And through the grieving process, he's reached a crucial decision. He's going to become a stand-up comedian and learn to laugh again, but perhaps not in the way he expects. This story is personal, yet all too relatable at times. It touches on important, underspoken subjects like depression, grief, and self-doubt. And it does it through a unique comedic lens. Rachel Thomas Medwid is one of our producers, and we're so excited to have her on board.
Hi everybody, I'm Rachel Thomas Medwid. I am a writer, director, and producer, and I've worked with Jacob and Seapoint Studios for the past 4 years, and in that amount of time we've made 5 multi-award winning short films. So when Jacob came to me with his vision for The Second Bird, I was really excited to come on board. Not only is the project ambitious, there is a unique factor to it that I know people are going to be talking about. Having worked with these guys on so many projects, I know that this one will be carried through with this incredible cinematic quality that Seapoint is recognized for. So trust me when I say that this is a project that you don't want to miss out on being a part of.
Joe Bell, fresh off his Best Actor win for Fenwick, is also producing and acting in The Second Bird. Joe, congrats by the way.
Appreciate you, Jacob. Thank you. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Joe Bell, actor, producer, writer, filmmaker, and I am so excited to be a part of this project, not only as a producer, but as an actor. I'll be playing Joe, a 28-year-old waiter who has a little bit more of an involved role in this narrative than he realizes. However, before we can move forward any more filming and production, we need your help, and that is why we are here. Now, with that being said, I'll hand this back to you, Jacob. I got more orders to take care of. You know, Joe the waiter and all. Okay.
There's a lot of energy and talent behind this film, but we need your financial support in order to continue. So help us make The Second Bird a reality. And there's some super awesome rewards if you contribute. Anybody who donates is going to receive digital access to the film once it's completed. And we're also doing tiered rewards as well. One of our first tiers will be immediate access to the entire Seapoint Studios catalog. That's 5 films that you can watch today. The Squirrels in the Attic, In the Company of Crows, Penny, Cult, and Fenwick, which is not even publicly released yet. Other rewards include early access to our blooper reel and behind the scenes footage, on-screen credits, including an associate producer and executive producer credit, as well as an invitation to our premiere screening. Want to be in the film? Sure thing. Your name could be on one of the headstones, or you can even be an extra in one of our scenes. One other thing. My brother, Bennett, is a local landscape and wildlife photographer. No, you can't laugh.
How many times do I have to wait?
Just keep doing it, okay? Is a local landscape and wildlife photographer, and his photography is inspiration for our cinematics in the film. He's actually developing a standalone photo series to go with our film. As one of our rewards, he will be printing and matting a very limited batch of these photos, which will look amazing and stand out on any wall. This is more than just a film to us. It's a 30 to 60 minute piece of art that's pushing our creative boundaries in brand new ways. We're looking to raise at least $10,000, but realistically we have financial needs that are greater than that. Getting closer to 20,000 will allow us for more production days and support us through distribution, but we appreciate every penny. I promise we won't let Joe eat them. So please check out our Seed and Spark page for all donation and rewards details. Thank you so much for your financial support, and we're really excited to show you what we got cooking.